welcome to Premier Mobility. Here we have a 2016 on a 66 plate, Euro 6 Ford Connect Tourneo, just under 26,000 miles on the clock. Wheelchair accessible with an alloy conversion. It's got the 5 seats or 3 plus wheelchair. Very unusual bit of stock today. Allied didn't start making the Ford Tourneos until 2016, and generally on a Motability scheme for 5 years shouldn't really become available until 2021. So quite a rare little vehicle in lovely blue metallic paint. It's the manual version with the diesel, so 5-speed gearbox. Generally in competition with the Peugeot partner and the Citroen Berlingo. Slightly more refined, so you've got Bluetooth, array of extras, 4 electric windows opposed to 2, air conditioning, USB connection, array of extras, great comfort in this, and in my opinion will be forerunner of the wheelchair accessible vehicles in the forthcoming future. As it sits at the moment, again, as I say, not a lot of choice. We're lucky to have this. Generally Euro 6 vehicles are not greatly available. Sorry about that noise. Some idiot thinks he's a racing driver, but never mind. So full service history on this vehicle. Great condition. The rear seat's slightly different, slightly easier to use. You've got this black and red stripe. Pull that. Oh no, I'm not going to be able to do it with one hand. What you do, you pull that seat will then come down, and there's another strap on the back to lift it up. I'll show you when I go around the back of the vehicle. A lot easier. Very difficult to do it with one hand, but here we go. So there's the wheelchair ramp there. It does fold flat to the floor, the same as the Peugeots, so no difference there. It's not the Grand Tourneo, which is more like the VW Caddy Maxi. No, this is just the Tourneo. But there's that black, red striped, so quite distinctive, because the other one's just black grey. That folds flat. This one, just lift it up. So with 2 hands, you'll be able to do it a lot easier than the Peugeot one. And do the same with the single seat if you need it, so you can have the complete floor, a lot slightly longer floor than the Peugeot. There are pluses for you taxi drivers that require Euro 6. You need to be quick. We've got this and a couple of Peugeots in stock, and a full Tourneo Custom, which is the same size as a Transit. So not many of them about. Wheelchair adaptive mobility users, doesn't generally matter whether it's Euro 6 or Euro 5, just the emissions. Slightly cheaper on the road taxis is £125 for the year. So you have got that benefit, but they are more expensive than the Peugeots and the Citroen. So the choice is yours. It's entirely up to you. We like to give a choice of the wheelchair access vehicles. We carry around about 25 in stock. Generally they are Peugeots, Citroen and the VW Caddy, but as I say, with this one and a full Tourneo Custom, we've been privileged to get hold of those 2 vehicles. So you've got all the book pack, all the paperwork with the vehicle. You can see the vehicle and the video, etc. on www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. Taxi drivers can go straight to our dedicated taxi page, which is www.premiertaxisales.com. If you want to pop along and see us in person, at Cooling Road Service Station in Wainscott in Kent, postcode's ME2 4RL. If you want to give us a call, discuss any finance options, part exchange, anything like that, all the services that we offer. Mobility users we offer home visits, we offer delivery, we can ship out to Dublin, lots and lots of things, lots and lots of products, lots and lots of services that we offer. So give us a call on 01634 716 911. Thanks for